This video is about how to get started with a simple business to make money online for beginners and for people who are still struggling to make their first $1,000 online. For a lot of people, earning money online would be a dream come true. If they could find a way to profit from a website or some other internet venture, they could eventually quit their 9-to-5 jobs to become their own bosses. This will allow them to spend more time with their family and take control of their time and their lives. The crazy thing is, earning money online isn't a pipe dream anymore. Making money online for beginners is also possible. Whether you're a full-time 9-to-5 worker looking for a side income, or a work-at-home mom or dad looking for a part-time job, working and earning online could be the ideal solution for you. It's possible to earn from $1,000 to even 5-figure per month by just working at home, using your own time after office hours, and during weekends and off days. This video will show you the ways to go about getting started with proper guidance to ensure a high probability of success in your new endeavor. You will learn where to get good training courses to kickstart your project and how to make money fast. Anyone can do this business. The internet is the great equalizer for new entrepreneurs. In business specifically, it has leveled the playing field. Anyone can start a money-making online business. What you need is a computer and an internet connection. Irrespective of your background, work experience, age, gender, you can participate in this lucrative business. Work from home or work anywhere. The choice is yours. Working online is convenient, hassle-free with a lot of personal freedom. And most importantly, you are your own boss. And isn't that your dream lifestyle? Let's listen to Todd, a top online marketer in USA, has got to say about making money online.
The internet has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online without even leaving your home? And I'm not talking about a small profit here. There are thousands upon thousands of people currently earning incomes through online marketing, some over $1 million. But just because the path to success is out there doesn't mean it will be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this very page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.
Most people don't know how to go about getting started on making money online. There are a number of business models and marketing strategies to choose from. But my recommendation for beginners who want to make money online is to start off with affiliate marketing, a form of marketing involving promoting other people's products. This type of marketing is particularly attractive for promoting digital information products, which normally pay commissions ranging from 50% to 100% per sale. The beauty of this type of marketing is, you don't need to have your own products or inventory. You are just promoting other people's products and get paid handsomely. To help you to kickstart your new business venture, you need some guidance from successful internet marketers. You need guidance to kickstart your new business. I have worked with some reputable online marketers who will share their trade secrets with you. They will make available practical courses priced at $47 to $97 at a massive special discount of up 99%, some as low as only $1. This will jumpstart your business fast and improve your financial position quickly with minimum capital outlay. This is a real and legit offer with no gimmick involved. Just get access to the courses and training by clicking the link below in the description. Then go through the training thoroughly and implement what you have learned. I have realized in life that taking action is better than waiting for perfection. Dreams don't fulfill themselves. The habit of putting ideas into action is the key to success. It's a no-brainer. Take action now on this simple but highly profitable business that will bring you financial success. Click the link in the description to get started. I wish you success.